In today's video, we're going to be going over the VIP AppSumo affiliate program, and this is hands down one of the best affiliate program offers I've seen in a very long time. And at the end of the video, I will be giving you 2 free strategies on how you can promote this affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs completely for free. In today's video, we're going to be going over the AppSumo VIP affiliate program that is paying 100% commission on all sales for 30 days. This is absolutely crazy. And if you haven't heard of AppSumo, it is a marketplace platform where you can get lifetime software deals for insane prices. And over 1.5 million people have used AppSumo, and they've paid out, guys, $113 million directly to partners as well as affiliate marketers. And the platform allows you to buy and sell software as well as online courses, WordPress plugins, ebooks, template libraries, and much more. And this is what a sample software page looks like, and you can see the deal pricing, and you can also see reviews from users, which is super helpful. And the AppSumo affiliate program has been established for a while and has paid out affiliates a ton of money. However, they wanted to step it up in Q1 and do a crazy VIP promotion. It's on the Impact Affiliate Network. However, if you want to access this VIP affiliate program, you need to click the link down below, which will take you to this form. And you can see you'll get 100% commission on all sales for 30 days, unlimited AppSumo credit for promotion. And what this means is you can get credits so you can try out different software tools, so you can really do good reviews and you can show your users this is how the software works, and you can make blog posts, you can make videos, and it is no earning cap. So it's 100%, guys. It's legit. It will only be for 30 days. So I highly recommend you guys sign up immediately. This is the form right here. It takes about 1 minute to fill out. And then AppSumo will get back to you within 2 business days. And the AppSumo affiliate program also has had a lot of cash bonus opportunities in the past, as well as contest win special prizes like Airbnb credits, Apple products, and much more. And one way you can promote the affiliate program is by doing YouTube videos. I'll show you a few examples. For example, AppSumo Tools of the Year 2025. Here's what you should get. And then here's another one, Bug Smash, the best website feedback tool on AppSumo. And because you're going to be part of the VIP affiliate program, you'll be able to get access to tools like Bug Smash, so you'll be able to give accurate and awesome reviews. Here's another video, the best AppSumo SEO tool nobody's talking about, and you can put your affiliate link in the description. And another way you can earn commission is by doing blog posts such as this, 10 best AI tools, and it'll be going over different AppSumo tools with different links. Here's another one, 30 best AppSumo lifetime deals, and it will go over 30 different AppSumo products. I highly recommend you guys sign up to this VIP affiliate program offer. It's very rare an affiliate program pays 100% commission. If you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.